Welcome dear learners. All teachers and students also, they are searching for some educational tools to deliver their lecture contents. That's why this is a small try to explore this blending of learning management system and educational tools for teaching learning processes. The sample teaching plan which I have prepared. So this platform I'm going to explain with the help of this one small sample unit. Then you will see the content created according to the teaching plan in Canvas LMS. So this is the main system that I am going to explain here, that is Canvas Learning Management System. Then what are the features and limitations of this Canvas, and how to integrate different teaching and learning tools with LMS. So during this explanation, I'm going to take you to the Canvas page which I have created, and we will see how different features are useful in teaching learning processes. So you can do formative assessments according to the functions which are given in the Canvas. So this is the sample teaching plan which I have prepared. Suppose these are the different engagement activities. Suppose I have considered here this one unit. As I am teacher of engineering chemistry, I have created this teaching plan using this LMS platform, that is Canvas. So here there are different notes, assignments, quizzes, formative assessment tools are used, video links are also given, individual customized videos are also given, that is one of the tool I have used here, and this is nothing but the Edpuzzle. Then there are some live videos, lectures that to be taken. Okay, so these are the different engagement activities, and these are the different formats which are available. Okay, I am having PDF notes, so next lecture notes, that is one PDF lecture note I am having. Also there are some videos, video links are there. So all these things are explained in one platform, that is LMS platform. Okay, so let us see this teaching plan, and according to the teaching plan, how I am going to deliver the lecture and also going to deliver the content to the students. So the content created according to the teaching plan in Canvas LMS. So I have created this page or Moodle platform, and I'm going to take you to the particular site. Okay, if you are able to see this dashboard, here I have created my account in canvasinstructor.com. Then you can set your profile accordingly. Then if you see here, I have created this course, that is engineering chemistry, and this is the course code. If you click on this code, you will see different content. First of all, there are two modules are there in this particular course. That is, this is the module. This is one module, that is water chemistry, and second module, that is fuels and biofuels. Accordingly, you can add different modules from this particular tab. If you click on this module, I have added different tools here which are related to my teaching plan. Okay, so if you see the teaching plan, see here lecture notes. Okay, then here if you see this, it is unit 1 water chemistry notes, that is in the form of PDF. Click here, you will be redirected towards this download page. If you click on this, you will see the PDF notes that can be easily available to our students. Okay, so in this way, this is the one sample. So this is the second tab, that is water chemistry YouTube video links. Okay, so that is also provided in the form of PDF, that are also given in the form of this PDF, and students go to the particular YouTube link, they will be directly redirected towards this particular YouTube video. Okay, then the next tab in the module, that is playlist, same water chemistry playlist here added. Then assignment. So in assignments you can assign this to the students. There are points, 10 points are there to be given. So students are submitting that assignment in the form of PDF or Word document. Okay, so that is a file to be uploaded on this assignment. Okay, if you want to add rubrics, then there is a facility to add rubrics over here. Then similarly, assignment 2 is also given, as I have mentioned in my sample teaching plan. So there are two assignment tabs that are given here. Okay, then interactive page. In this page, if suppose students want to post their queries or doubts, they can post here. When I will publish it, what happens, student will be able to write this write on this particular page. It can be easily accessed. Okay, then this is one of the interactive page. Then if you see next, that is roll call list. Okay, so roll call list, this is one of the best feature in this learning management system, that is Canvas. There are different students which when added to your course, then their list is going to appear here. Okay, so there is a list of students. Okay, and suppose I want to mark attendance, these two things, mark all as a present. Okay, so all can be marked as a present. That's why you can do accordingly, you are able to mark their attendance as a absent. Okay, so in this way you can manage all these things. If you want to download, you can download this. After downloading, I'm directly showing you, and these are the different highlighted columns, their date of attendance. So there are two different dates, find out this absent students also. So this is the one of the feature of this module. Then module, that is water chemistry. Then this is one of the tool that I have added here. This is formative assessment tool, that is Edpuzzle. So for this, if suppose I click here, it will directed me towards the edpuzzle.com. Student need to create account on this edpuzzle.com. Similarly, teachers also going to have their account in Edpuzzle so that they can add their students. This is again a nice platform to have puzzles that can be added in Canvas platform. Again, if I touch here in modules, there is a sample quiz. Okay, so sample quiz, that quiz is inbuilt here in this particular module. As I preview this quiz, so hardness of water is due to presence of, suppose the question is, answer is given here. Okay, next question, then suppose true or false type question is there. Okay, so submit quiz. After submitting quiz, the students will directly get their score. They are able to see their marks here itself. Okay, so this is one of the feature in this. Next one, that is Google quiz. So you can also add the external links here. So this is one of the link I have added, Google quiz link. So if you click here, it will redirect you towards the Google quiz. So this is Google quiz on water chemistry. All these are the things which are swiftly operated through this platform. Okay, so here again going towards modules. Similarly, for the second module, suppose fuels and biofuels, I can add all those types of tools whichever explained here. So this is very nice platform to use. Summative assessment, you can compile all those grades and you can generate result also. Peoples, in peoples you can simply add students here, over here. Okay, there are different features like this that can be explained, and this is very nice platform to use. It is totally free, but there are some disadvantages are also there. Okay, so this is about the Canvas. This is the sample teaching plan I have explained with the help of learning management system platform. and there are some tools that I have used. Edpuzzle, then Google Quiz, some video lectures are also there. Again, if you want to know about the features and limitations of this, so there are different features and limitations of this canvas. So what are the features? So it is, as you have seen already, that it is user friendly LMS platform. You can give assignments, quizzes, external links, chat forum, etc. You can create page for discussion. You can share PowerPoint presentation, PDF, then web links and videos also. You can take online lectures through this. You can maintain attendance also, and you can integrate many teaching and learning tools like Edpuzzle or Google Quiz in this particular platform. Okay, there are some limitations. So some external tools which we are using here, they are limited for the limited period. Okay, after that they are in the paid format. Then 10 concurrent conferences or video lectures are provided by the big blue button, that is again external tool. Then no voice control, because if you mute all students, but students may get unmute themselves. Okay, so it is possibility that they may unmute themselves in between the lectures. So these are the some features and some limitations of this LMS system. Thank you.